column. You getting me? Okay. Then this is commercial bill. Bills, nothing but a bill.
Bills of exchange.
Bills of exchange, nothing but a bill. Okay, where you can discount. Nothing but a sort of promissory note. Sort of promissory notes. All these are treasury bills. These are issued by the Reserve Bank of India on behalf of the government. Okay, these are generally for short term. Commercial paper. These both are also similar to promissory notes. These three. Okay, in book you can read these subtopics. Okay. Then certificate of deposits. Then this collateralized borrowing and lending obligation. What is this?
Getting money by giving some jewelry in model.
Okay, this is not found normally in the market. Okay, this is just a concept in your book. You cannot find this. There is some instrument, a discounting instrument. Okay.
So like money lenders in full this.
Nothing but these are all the forms of lending. Okay, forms of lending. But later on you have to repay. Ultimately you have to repay all these loans. Yes. Nothing but this collateral. What is collateral? What is collateral? Security. Yeah, there are two types of security: primary security and collateral security. What is collateral? Nothing but secondary. Primary, other than primary, secondary, right? Okay, if the first person does not perform, original party does not perform, we will ask the first party. I mean the primary security, person who gives the primary security. Yes?
Like some bank guarantee.
Back guarantee. Yes. Okay. Then also the company is not sure. Okay, whether not in case of bank guarantee, but because bank has more funds, right? You need not go for a secondary security. But in case of some, suppose the primary security was given by some person, okay, and you cannot assess the viability of that person, whether he repays or not, okay, then you go for collateral security again. Okay, nothing but secondary security. Okay, it depends on that concept. Okay, please go through this once, you will understand. Okay. Clear till now? Any doubts? Okay, nothing but instruments in money market. These are all these 6 topics. Nothing but you can get short-term finance. Your company can get short-term finance if you go into this money market. Clear? Now you have this capital market. What is capital market? From where you get long-term finance? Yes. What are long-term finances? We have discussed this earlier. Yes. Now in capital market, you have these 2 types: primary market, secondary capital market. What you know about stock exchange, right?
Yes.
This stock exchange falls under the secondary capital market. Then what is this primary capital market? Okay, there is a company, it started on 1st January 2021. It started matlab it has to issue the shares. Yes, issue the shares. Now this is called initial public offer, IPO. Initial public offer, because it is issuing for the first time. Okay, this IPO, and then there is this further public issue. After completing, say for example 3 years, the company needs some funds again, and it is going for public issue again. Nothing but earlier it has some 1 lakh shares subscribed capital, authorized capital. Then it needs another 1 lakh. It is going to issue another 1 lakh shares. Now the total will be 2 lakh shares. Yes. Okay. This IPO and FPO, this is done in primary capital market. Okay. Now in what happens in stock exchange? there are these 2 lakh shares. Yes. Now this trading happens in the stock exchange. Trading matlab the same 2 lakh shares gets exchanged between the buyers and sellers. Shares are not going to change here, right?
Yes.
It is the same volume, 2 lakh shares. But here, suppose if the company comes for another further public issue again, then the shares becomes 3 lakhs. If it is going to buyback matlab? Yeah, it is going to ask back the shares from the shareholders. That might be due to some liquidity issue. Okay, the company wants to purchase the shares back. This is buyback. Then now we have 3 lakhs. If it has bought back this 1 lakh shares, then it becomes 2 lakh shares. Yes. Here the shares keeps on floating. Here it keeps on changing the hands. Okay, from me to him, him to him, him to her, and so on. Okay, this is stock exchange. Nothing but secondary capital market. Clear till now? Any doubts? Any doubts? We have discussed about this equity share, debentures, preferences. What is sweat equity share? Don't look into the book, okay? What is sweat equity share? Sweat equity shares? What is she doing? She is writing or? Ma'am, what are you writing? What are you doing? You are writing or chatting? Writing? Okay. What is sweat equity share? Sweat equity share. Okay, suppose you have these employees. Okay. You have these employees or workers or directors. Okay. Say for example, say one employee. Okay, he has worked for almost 45 years in the company. Yes, 45 years. 45 years is too much. Yes. So to recognize his services, the company wants to give some benefit. Okay, the company wants to give some benefit. Suppose it has shares. Okay, it has shares, right? It has 10 lakh shares. Okay, now it is thinking to go for a public issue. Nothing but further public issue. FPO. Yes? FPO. Now what it can do, say for example, it is going FPO for 1 lakh shares. Okay, now these 10 lakh shares are already issued earlier. Yes or no? Yes? Suppose this is a listed company. Its shares are getting traded in a stock exchange. Yes? Yes? It might have gained some reputation. The company. Okay, say for example, the company is 60 years long. The company is incorporated 60 years earlier. Okay, you can easily expect the share price, the face value might be 10 rupees, but you can check the market value. Okay, market value, it can be around 5,000 also. Okay, one share is equal to 5,000 rupees. 5,000 rupees. Okay. Now the company is going to issue these 1 lakh shares. Yes. Out of these 1 lakh shares, it can offer 1,000 shares to this particular employee for rupees 100. for rupees 100. For outside people, okay, for say for example 99,000 shares, I am left with 99,000 shares. I need to issue them. Okay, normally this company issues the shares at premium. What is premium? My face value is rupees 10. But if you want to invest in this 99,000 shares, you have to pay me, say for example, 1,000 rupees per share. 1,000 rupees per share. It is almost equal to this value normally. Okay. Say for example, take 5,000 rupees. Take 5,000 or 4,500 rupees. Okay, this 10 rupees is face value. 4,990 rupees, right? This is premium. Okay, but from the particular employee, I am going to collect only 100 rupees. This is the indirect benefit which is extended by the company to the particular employee in recognition of this 45 years of service. This is nothing but sweat equity shares. Sweat. Okay. The employee, spend lot of sweat, you can tell sweat, okay, for the company's growth. Yes. So to recognize that, company is issuing shares at lower cost compared to the market price, compared to the issue price. You are following me? This is called sweat equity shares. Clear? Able to follow?
Yes.
Okay. Able to establish the link? Yes. Okay, then we are done with this capital market. Finally, we are left with one topic: time value of money. Okay, time value of money.
Sorry. But the company cannot trade inside the.
Company cannot trade. Yes, company cannot trade. That is insider trading. You are talking about insider trading. What is insider trading? What is insider trading?
Trade inside the company.
What is insider trading? Okay, suppose I am working in this financial reporting section, okay, of Oil India Limited. Financial reporting matlab? Financial reporting. This particular section, okay, say for example there are 10 individuals, 10 people, okay, working in this financial reporting section. They are going to prepare this trading account, they are going to prepare this balance sheet, they are going to prepare this profit and loss account. Yes? Okay, while preparing, they know these exact figures, right? How much net profit they got, how much gross profit they got. Yes? How much gross profit did the company earn? How much net profit did the company earn? Okay, what are the changes in assets, changes in liabilities, all this. They know. Okay, normally financial results are declared at the end of particular quarter. Yes? Yes? After declaring these financial results, the stock, you can expect some fluctuation in the stock price. Yes? Nothing but if the company earns more profit. If the company earns more profit, suppose in the last year it earned some 15 crores. Okay, now in the first quarter it earned almost 9 crores. So what can you expect for the whole year on an average? 4 quarters. There are 4 quarters, right? What is a quarter? What is a financial year? What is a financial year? 1st April, right? 1st April, say for example 2020 to 31st March. 31st March 2021. 12 months. This is called the financial year. From January to December, this is called the calendar year. Okay, say for example January to December 2020. This is the calendar year. January 2021 to December 2021. This is a calendar year, but this is a financial year. Okay, first quarter is for 3 months, nothing but April to June, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. Yes, there are 4 quarters. Correct? Each quarter contains 3 months. Yes? Clear now? Clear? So here in the first quarter itself it earned 9 crores. So on an average you can expect some more than 36 crores. This is huge, right? More than double. Okay, now this, okay, in this 10 persons there is this Danish. Okay, myself. Okay, I know this. I came to know this information. Okay, what I did, I purchased some shares in advance. And to withhold. Okay, because I can expect, right, in future. Okay, after publishing these results of 9 crores, the share price is definitely going to increase.